So I did an experiment on my channel, and my channel has gotten over 100,000 views in 1 month. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what I did, the steps you can take in case you want this kind of views, as well as how you can grow your subscribers like this. Within a month, I got over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to show you guys all the analytics so that you guys can see for yourself. But this is the secret. If you're interested, then let's just get right into the video. So the first thing which I did was to jump right into the YouTube Shorts feature, which is a new feature here on YouTube. So just in case you don't know, a YouTube Short is a video that is shot in a vertical format, so as opposed to what you're seeing right now, which has to do with like the whole horizontal format and landscape and all of that. For your YouTube Shorts, it's a 60 seconds or less, a 60 seconds video that is shot in a vertical format. That is the requirement for you to go ahead and do this. And apart from this, you're going to have to put hashtag shorts in your title or in your description, right? So this is exactly what I found out on YouTube, and I did it. So I'm going to dive right into the analytics. This is going to vary for different people, right? So what happened on my channel might be different from what happens on your channel if you decide to try this out, right? If you want to know how you can go ahead to upload this, then you might want to stick around to the end, because I'm going to be sharing that in the end. All right, so so hey guys, now we are in my YouTube studio, right? So I want to show you guys the velocity of this video and how this video has done, how well it has done from the day it was published up till now. This is an Instagram tutorial, which you guys know I'm into hair, natural hair and all of that. So this is the number of views this video has gotten since it was published, right? So on the first day, this is the velocity right now. On the first day, 0 views, and within the first 24 hours it got up to 143 views. Now if you look here, you can see that the typical views I get on the first day is within 90 to 170, so it was within that range, right? So going on to the next day, which was the first 2 days, it had 984 views. Now looking at this, the typical views I get within the first 2 days on any video on my channel is within 120 to 200 views. This video has actually surpassed, it has gone beyond my typical range of views within the first 2 days, and this is how this video just kept climbing and climbing. We are on 115k views. Looking at this, you can see that this is 114,000 more than the usual views I get for a video. I don't want to say it's guaranteed to get you views, but it should get you views. That is why I'm going to advise that you go ahead to create engaging content. You know how reels are on Instagram, right? Like something really engaging, and they're just like short videos. Yeah, this is the YouTube version. So you just want to make sure that the YouTube short you're uploading is engaging, it is informative, it is educative. It's maybe like a YouTube a hair tutorial, a makeup tutorial, whatever tutorial, cake tutorial, something within just that 60 seconds and you're good to go. It just has to be engaging, fun, exciting, right? Those are the kind of videos I would recommend for you guys to upload to YouTube Shorts, just so that people are engaged, and that way keep getting recommended to other people. This varies for various channels, right? So it varies per channel. What happens on my channel might not be what's going to happen on your channel, but my channel, it gave me a lot of views. It also gave me subscribers, so the subscribers are going to count if you are someone who is looking for monetization. But now the watch time doesn't count. That is the bad side of it. I mean, we have the pros and the cons of everything, right? We have the good side, we have the bad side. Now this is the bad side of the YouTube Shorts. You cannot monetize this video. The watch time doesn't count for your monetization process if you're someone who is not yet monetized. I mean, look at how much watch time this video got me, guys. This video got me 1,400, but it's gone. It's it's nowhere to be found. Literally, it's nowhere to be found in my monetization requirements. Do you guys get what I'm saying? So it would get you subscribers because it's quite easy for them to subscribe. If you've seen the YouTube Shorts shelf, it is like, you know how Instagram you have a small section where it says follow. You don't actually have to go to the person's page and see their content. It's just quite spontaneous, and you just go and then you follow the person. That is the same way it is right here. So while the person is watching the video, there's an icon or like a place where the person can just click on subscribe, and that's it. So it's very fast. They don't have to go through your content and see all the things you have before they actually go and subscribe. It's just on the spot if they fall in love with your content. So that's why it's quite easy to get the subscribers. So I got 1,200 subscribers just from this video, and this video is less than 1 minute. So it will get you subscribers, it will get you views, it could help you to get viral and get discovered. However, the watch hours don't count. It's like literally thrown away if you are looking for monetization, and if you are monetized, you cannot monetize this particular video. The statement which they rolled out states that there might be plans for, you know, monetization of YouTube Shorts later in the future. Nobody knows, but it's quite painful that 1,400 watch hours is just thrown away. But basically that is it about the velocity and how this video has done. Yeah, I also want to show you guys my top traffic sources for this video. You can see right here that this video is coming, the views are coming mostly from YouTube Shorts. 80% is coming from YouTube Shorts. So, and then the rest coming from suggested videos, which is the suggested bar which you have showing once you're watching a video. So it's evident that that is where the views are coming from, the YouTube Shorts shelf. Okay, so that is it about that. Let me show you guys my reach. I don't know, I haven't actually seen my reach and how far this video has gone. Wow, 1.4 million. Wow, this video has gotten 1.4 million impressions. What that means is people have seen this video, not watched it, but this video has been suggested to people 1.4 million times. Wow, this is a lot. I have never gotten this on my channel. And also you can see the impressions click-through rate is 1.4, which is quite low. It should be between like 2 upwards. And yeah, but then I mean, this video is helping me get subscribers. It's kind of like a win-win. You're gonna be the one to weigh the pros and the cons for your channel. For me, I feel like it's a win in this way because the subscribers which you get at one point or another would come across other videos you have on your channel, and then they can go ahead and watch those videos, and then the watch time from them is going to count for your YouTube monetization process and all of that. So it's not completely a waste. You can use it to get subscribers, and those subscribers can then go ahead to, you know, scan through your channel and fall in love with other content that you have. So you can use it to your advantage if you ask me. So now just to show you guys my channel analytics as a whole, once we get to engagement, I do want to say that I'm not impressed because it has actually dropped my audience retention for the channel as a whole. You can see my audience retention is less than a minute, which is absolutely disturbing, absolutely unacceptable. So this is something that I'm not very proud of, which is it's just very bad to look at, that your average view duration because of just one video has dropped by 57%. It's not even up to a minute. So yeah, that's one of the downsides to this again. And yeah, so the way you're going to upload this video is a normal way you go ahead to upload any YouTube video. Just make sure that it is 60 seconds long video or less than 60 seconds, and make sure that it's in a vertical format. Also include the hashtag shorts in your title, or if you're going to use a description box, you can also put the shorts hashtag in the description box or in your title of the video. Okay, so those are the 3 major requirements. So just go ahead and upload it like you'd normally upload your YouTube videos, and make sure that you fulfill all these criteria. And you can also go ahead to add a thumbnail, normal things you do with a video. Okay, so that is the end of this video. If this video was helpful, definitely let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.